Maybe I need to get some more details from you. If you have some details you can give me, because we always arrest people, and so many people we arrest for different allegations. But when you say torturing, that one, absolutely, the army does not condone that.
This person was picked on.
We are in a terrible situation right now, and we are trying to bring down the situation of insurgency caused by the rebels, Lord's Resistance Army, and we really want people to get peace. So arrests could be made, and when they are brought to us here, we ask them questions. We ask them, but you know, asking questions, torture is not part of asking questions. And as I told you before, the army does not condone that. However, we could be sending our men to arrest people, but as you know, he could have resisted, then a reasonable force could have been used to get him. So, as you are aware, you have always had that they are rebel collaborators, and if that man was arrested on that ground, excuse me, then I think we shall see what to do. If at all he was arrested, he was tortured, but to the best of my knowledge, I think nothing of that kind takes place. You know, in this war, as I told you, so many children were arrested or were captured by the rebels, and they were